Fun fact: have you ever wondered why we suddenly let out a big sneeze? Sneezing is our nose's way of protecting us from unwanted guests, like dust, pollen, or tiny germs. When something irritating enters your nose, tiny hairs and special cells sense the intruder. These cells send a quick message to your brain, which instantly orders your body to blow out air super fast. This blast helps clear out the annoying stuff before it can cause trouble. So, the next time you sneeze, remember, it's your body's superhero move to keep your airways clean and safe. Like and subscribe for more fun fact.